Hello friends, welcome you all to my YouTube channel. So the topic for today's video is how to use filter in Excel. It is a very important topic and I will try to make it as easy as possible. So let's go to Excel sheet first. Here what I have done, I have created an Excel sheet already in a tabular form where I have taken few columns named as weekdays, work assigned, vacation plan and the date. So here I have taken almost 3 weeks where I have some options for a work assigned as no and yes, and for vacation plan I have put the options like no, yes and NA, and for the date it is like from like 17th of July to almost August 6th. These are the date variation here. So how can we use filters here? There is a option regarding that, like here if you will gonna click on this weekdays first, this on this drop down here in the column of weekdays, you will find the options here, so many options like from for weekdays options like Monday to Friday. And if you deselect this, it will deselect each and everything. And if you want to see the plan for only for Fridays irrespective to any date, so it will show you only the plan for the Fridays only irrespective to the date. So now if I click OK, so what it is giving me, it is giving me the data for the Friday only. So that is the thing that like, because this table is smaller, so it looks like it's how easy it is to use. And if it is bigger one, then filters filters are very important to get the accuracy of your data, to make it more clear, a more clear picture of the data that you gonna interpret in your daily life. So if I do want to change it again, what I need to do, I just simply can select all and then click OK again. So all data will come back. And if I want to get select not for Friday only, I just want to see if I have any vacation plan on Saturday, Sundays, then what I need to do, I just can click Saturday, Sunday and OK. So here what is there, it is giving me the plan for vacations where I have put in no, yes and no, right? So what if I just want to check if any Saturday, Sundays, I just do have only the plans, there should be no I don't want to select the no option. So what I will be doing, I'll go to this drop down and I will deselect everything and I will select only yes, then click OK. Then it will be showing me only the Saturday, Sundays where I do have some vacation plans. Other than that, if I do want to use more filters, then what do I need to do? I'll go to this drop down and there are 2 months, July month and August month, and I want to see the plan for the August month Saturday, Sunday only. Then what do I need to do? I can deselect July and let the August be selected and click OK. Then it will be showing me on the August month. And if I want to see the July month, then what I need to do is I will select July and deselect August and click OK. So it will show me like that. And again let's go back and select all. Okay, for that what we need to do is, because here it's not showing us other options, so what we need to do, we will select all here first, okay, and we remove all the filters then, okay, and then we can remove the filters from here because filters are dependent, that's why we need to remove all the filters, then we can get all the data back. And here for the vacation plans, if I want to see that if I do have some something that is not applicable in my case, so what I do need to use, I will deselect here and I will check NA and click OK. So I'll check, I'll get the data only for the days where I had no plan, neither work and no any vacation plan. So I think it is the easiest way how to use filters and how to apply them here. So if it is helpful, please do like, share and subscribe my video, and for more to make the other topics more easy, I'll be making more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Thank you very much.